Ready? Let's go save the world.
No. I'm gonna smash this rotten world into pieces.
I've got you!
We're about to risk our lives here.
Is this the only way across?
Bratton, toss me there.
Get out of Marmiter Village!
Quit it already. You can't even beat the rabbits.
Hands off, Trixie!
Enough!
It's a... No! No! That's enough! It's the Legion! Where's the fight?
Partisans, stand